Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make porridge beans using plantains. I'm not called the goddess of beans for nothing. Kindly like my channel, give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and let's get down to it. In a pot of water, add your beans, allow it to simmer. Once it comes to a boil, you strain it. And the reason I do this step is because of the fertilizer or the dust that has been in it, because I've already washed it the first time before I'm doing this, and then I'm doing this again. It's just habit from the 90s when there was killer beans or thereabout. Now transfer it to a pressure pot, cover and allow to cook. Do not add salt, do not add onions, don't add anything, just cover and allow your beans to cook. Now in another pot, add your palm oil. Once it's hot, add your onions, give that a good stir until it starts to become translucent. Now add your dry pepper. You can use fresh pepper, but I prefer dry pepper. Stir that up. Add your bouillon cube. I used Maggi star. I figured that Maggi star comes out very nice in beans. Now add your ripe plantains. This plantain has already been slightly salted. That's why, if you notice, I haven't added salt in any other thing at all. So give that a good stir like it's frying for like 2 to 3 minutes or thereabout. Now add your beans. You do not need to add another salt into this food, but if you do because you are salt heavy or handy, then you can, but I'm not salt handy, so add a bit of water. I love my beans thick, so once I'm adding water into the beans, I'm not adding so much, I'm just adding enough for it to be porridgey. Cover and allow it to simmer for like 5 minutes on low heat. Now stir that up, guys. Look at that, just look. Oh my god, this is just heaven. Fam, your beans is ready. Like, your porridge beans is ready. Can you see how easy this recipe is? That's why I wonder when people don't get beans right, because beans is one of the easiest things to make. Thank you so much for going on this journey with me. Until next time, guys. Mwah. Bye.